Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need admin rights, access to drivers, and device manager open. First, scan for hardware changes and observe whether the adapter appears. This forces Windows to rescan the bus. If it doesn't show, run netint IP reset and netcugd from the elevated command prompt to clear corrupted network settings. Once done, reboot immediately to let Windows reload networking components and prepare for targeted driver repair. Now you focus on drivers and services. Uninstall any ghosted or problematic adapters in Device Manager, choosing to remove driver files when offered. Then install the correct driver from the vendor package or let Windows Update install a compatible one. Drivers restore the hardware interface. Meanwhile, check services. MSC and make sure network connections, plug and play, and DHCP client are set to automatic and running because these services manage device enumeration and IP assignment. Finish by confirming the adapter appears without errors and that ipconfig/all shows expected interfaces. Enable the adapter if disabled. If it remains missing, test the hardware in another slot or computer to rule out a failed NIC. Replace the card if it fails. If software corruption persists, use System Restore to return to a pre-failure snapshot because it can undo driver or registry changes quickly. If you reach this step, document actions and consider.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.